Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to log in and log out and verify some elements in a web page. How we can able to do it. For this I am going to take for Orange HRM application which I have a demo application. Okay, this is Orange HRM and if you log in into that in that particular application you will come it here. Okay, and this is your login page. Once you are login it will go for inside that how we can able to do it this one and how we can able to log out into that particular application. Okay. Just I'm going to test Jingo application and I'm going to log in, and here we can able to create a suite and which is desktop and which is the URL and what was the username password in case if you have that. Otherwise you can able to use it. It is a free version of OS to supporting and browser and which is a 0 position and create the suite. Okay, once you create the suite you can able to come to this place. I'm taking for this empty one because I have already created the suite. This is my empty suite. Whenever you created it, this is a like you can able to get it like this. Okay, once you got this particular page you need to click for add custom, and here we need to use for login orange hrm. Okay, and here we need to write the steps. What the steps we need to write it? For this we have to say like first login we need to use for admin user. That's why we need to use it for here. Enter username in where you want to use it. This is the username label place. You have to enter the name. Okay. Once you enter, you need to enter for password as well. The password you can able to say admin 123 and the label is password. Okay. Naming convention you should be properly. Okay. P is a capital. Okay. Once you've done this one and we need to click on where we need to click this login button. Login button. Before login, if you want to verify forgot password, this particular label you can able to use for another information like before login. If you want to verify, just you can contains check page contains this particular information or not. If it is there, then you can able to use it. And once it is login, we can able to use for wait 2 seconds. Then this is a waiting condition. Okay, wait condition and you can able to use for waiting. Okay, once it is done for username and password, I can provide here admin and password, then I'm going to log in. Once I done this login and I can able to come to here and I need to click any one of them. I can able to click this particular name or I can able to log out. Okay, I need to click this particular name and then I need to log out for that application. Okay, for this we can able to say if you choose this one, every time login time it will be different. Every time the name will be different. It is not a same as expected. Okay, just you need to inspect this particular element. The label we can able to say here image. That is a image. If you click the image, you will see for the logout. Okay, if you see for the logout, then we can able to use the picture. This is the name of that particular image. You can able to use that particular name and you can able to click for that. Okay, then here we can able to use for click on this particular name. Okay, before the name we can able to verify some labels. This is actions label we need to verify. In case if you want to verify you can able to verify, otherwise not required. Check page contains actions, and also you can able to see a quick launch also is there, and we can able to use quick launch also. Okay, and if that is completed we can able to check any one of them. In case if you want dashboard to verify, then dashboard also you can able to verify. Check page contains dashboard. Okay, everything we written. Okay, once it is done completion and we can able to click for, even we can able to click on logout. Okay, once it is logout, the page is logout. We'll see first logout, then after that we can able to verify after logout also. After logout we can able to come to in this page, right? In this page again we need to verify re-verification. Okay, our test case will be pass or fail. If there is any element we need to change or not, we'll see. Okay, dashboard I will remove. Check. Next time I will make it. Now we can able to add to run. Anything we can able to check it up. Okay, what are the values you want to check, then you can able to check it, and minimum of 3 minutes it is showing, and you can see once it is progress it is done. These are all the steps it need to be execute. Once it is done the execution, we can able to see for all the screens and also video. In case if a test case is failed something to verify, we can get for some errors also. Now the test case is got passed, maximize and see that what are the steps it is executed. Okay, I'm going to first page. First page is normal. Okay, and the second page is basically verifying the forgot password. It is open and verified, and username, password, and login also it is clicked. Once it is done, the clicking for this is a my actions quick action, and then it is click for this particular see. It is around the color. Okay, the picture we need to click right that picturing purpose. Okay, you can see the next screen it is open for logout after clicking. Okay, then you can able to see logout also will be there. The logout it is going to click for that. Once it is click the logout, then it is coming for this particular home page. Okay, this is the last screen. Okay, and we can able to see for all the steps to execution. This is all completion, right? Execution is done. But after logout, we need to verify this home page as well. I want to verify this entire contains or not. These two labels and this login. And login means it will come again into here. Okay, because both the names are same and it will take for that. Okay. And next time we can able to see this particular two usernames we'll see, and I hope this is also in image, I guess. Yeah, company brand is there. We can verify this company brand as well, because we need to check whether after logout whether that particular page we came or not. Page contains. Okay, once page contains we verify, then we can able to use for company. Check page contains this particular name. Okay, save and click. I hope it will pass out, because this company is basically a label image structure. Whenever you want, you can able to clicking time we can able to use checking also, we can trying to verifying that image whether that particular company brand logo is presented or not. It is completely executed in the back end. It is not showing for any step into front end. Now execution got passed. It is taking for 23 seconds. Okay, you can see in the last. Okay, now we can able to see here all the things are it is verifying. See, image also logged and this particular username field also it is verified. Even we can able to verify image as well by taking for alternative name of that particular image, and we can able to verify. Okay, whenever it is verified, then it will provide you for the green color verification one. But clicking on all it will give you for another color. Okay, gray color one it will provide. Okay, each action it will do for different actions. Okay, I hope it this information help you for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.